So today I will be teaching you how to make a duct tape bow, a duct tape bow ring, and a duct tape bow clip. So, first things first, you need duct tape, any duct tape, and scissors, and you'll be set. So all you need to do is first you need to cut about a piece of tape about to the size that you want, and then fold it over. When it's like this, you pinch this so it looks like this. Some people curl it around, it's stupid. And then when it's like this, you take scissors and you cut that amount of scissors, that amount of duct tape. And then you pinch it, like I told you before. You need to pinch this, and then you wrap this around this, and there you go. There is your duct tape bow. And this is how you make a duct tape clip. You take a bobby pin, you stick it through here, like you stick it through here. And then you take the bobby pin and clip it in your hair. There's your duct tape clip. And all you need for a duct tape ring is you need to just cut as big as your finger is with duct tape, and then get another piece of tape and stick it on like this. Thank you for watching. Please, 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 please make anything duct tape. Check out my other videos. My how to make a duct tape flower. Thank you.